Precision, speed, and durability are what separate professional-grade equipment from the rest. Best industrial sewing machines are built to handle demanding workloads, thick materials, and long hours of continuous operation. In this guide, we'll explore the top models that deliver reliable performance, exceptional stitch quality, and outstanding value for workshops, factories, and serious sewing professionals. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Brother SE600 Industrial Sewing Machine. The Brother SE600 is an excellent choice for users who want a machine that combines both sewing and embroidery capabilities in one compact package. While it is often marketed toward home and small business users rather than true factory environments, its impressive feature set makes it a valuable option for anyone looking to create customized garments, decorative projects, and embroidered designs. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 80 built-in embroidery designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts, allowing users to personalize clothing, gifts, and home decor items without purchasing additional design packages. The 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area provides enough workspace for monograms, logos, and decorative accents, while the included embroidery arm and hoop make setup simple and convenient. The machine also offers 103 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative patterns, utility stitches, stretch stitches, and 10 automatic buttonhole styles. This versatility allows users to handle everything from garment construction to quilting and craft projects. The automatic needle threader saves time and eliminates one of the most frustrating parts of sewing. Number 4. SINGER Buttonhole Industrial Sewing Machine. The SINGER HD500 Classic combines vintage-inspired styling with modern sewing performance, creating a machine that appeals to both traditional sewing enthusiasts and serious hobbyists. Its durable construction and enhanced motor power make it particularly useful for users who frequently work with thicker fabrics, such as denim, canvas, upholstery material, and layered garments. One of the strongest features of this machine is its heavy-duty motor, which provides significantly more piercing power than many standard sewing machines. This additional strength allows the machine to maintain consistent stitch quality even when handling demanding materials that can challenge lighter-duty models. The HD500 Classic is designed to deliver dependable performance across a wide range of sewing applications, from clothing repairs and garment construction to home decor and craft projects. The built-in needle threader simplifies setup and helps reduce eye strain, while the one-step buttonhole function produces professional-looking buttonholes quickly and consistently. Another major advantage is the machine's customizable stitch controls. Users can adjust stitch length, stitch width, and needle position to achieve greater precision and flexibility when working on different fabrics and sewing techniques. Number 3. Brother ST371HD Industrial Sewing Machine. The Brother ST371HD is a versatile, heavy-duty sewing machine designed to handle a wide variety of everyday sewing tasks while offering the durability needed for thicker fabrics and demanding projects. Built with convenience and reliability in mind, this machine serves as an excellent option for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced users who need dependable performance without the complexity of highly computerized systems. One of its most attractive features is the selection of 37 built-in stitches, which includes utility, decorative, stretch, and quilting stitches, along with an automatic one-step buttonhole function. This variety allows users to complete everything from garment construction and alterations to home decor and crafting projects with ease. The automatic needle threader significantly reduces setup time and eliminates much of the frustration associated with threading a needle manually. Additionally, the drop-in top bobbin system is jam-resistant and easy to monitor, helping ensure smooth stitching and fewer interruptions during projects. The ST371HD includes 6 sewing feet and several useful accessories, giving users the tools necessary for a wide range of sewing techniques right out of the box. Number 2. Brother Coverstitch Industrial Sewing Machine. The Brother 2340 CV cover stitch machine is a specialized sewing machine designed specifically for creating professional quality hems, decorative finishes, and stretch fabric seams. Unlike traditional sewing machines that focus on general stitching tasks, the 2340 CV is dedicated entirely to cover stitch operations, making it an excellent addition for users who frequently work with knit fabrics, activewear, dance costumes, and professionally finished garments. One of its greatest strengths is its robust metal frame and internal construction, which provide durability and stability during operation. The machine supports multiple cover stitch configurations, including narrow cover stitches, wide cover stitches, and tri-cover stitches, giving users flexibility when selecting the ideal finish for different projects. Its ability to create stretchable, professional-looking seams makes it particularly valuable for sewing athletic wear and other garments that require flexibility and durability. With a maximum sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, the Brother 2340 CV allows users to complete projects quickly while maintaining consistent stitch quality. The differential feed system helps prevent stretching or puckering on difficult fabrics, ensuring smoother results when working with lightweight knits or stretchy materials. Number 1. SINGER Quantum Industrial Sewing Machine. The SINGER Quantum Stylist 9960 is one of the most feature-rich sewing machines available, offering an impressive combination of automation, versatility, and creative potential. Designed for sewists who want advanced functionality without sacrificing ease of use, this machine provides an extensive collection of built-in stitches and professional-grade features, suitable for everything from garment construction to quilting and decorative sewing. One of its most remarkable highlights is the inclusion of 600 built-in stitches and an incredible 1,172 stitch applications. This vast selection gives users access to utility stitches, decorative patterns, stretch stitches, heirloom stitches, quilting options, and numerous creative embellishments. Features such as mirror imaging and stitch elongation allow users to customize stitch patterns and create unique decorative effects that add a personalized touch to projects. The machine also includes a comprehensive accessory package featuring 13 presser feet, a large extension table, quilting tools, needles, bobbins, and a fard dust cover. These accessories significantly expand the machine's capabilities and provide excellent value. Choosing the right industrial sewing machine can improve productivity, stitch quality, and long-term reliability. Whether you're running a workshop, factory, or professional sewing business, investing in a durable, high-performance model helps you work faster and more efficiently. Compare features carefully to find the machine that best matches your workload, materials, and production needs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.